tornado lifted van. Hanging out in Anza Borrego. We're gonna do some off-roading, but it's 108 degrees today. So we're gonna check out the animal sculptures, 130 of them. I'm gonna see how many I could find. Here's the main sculpture right here. It has its own address, the serpent sculpture. I'm gonna keep track of everyone I see. This one's cool because it goes under the road. It's right there. I have no idea what this one is. Leave it in the comments. What is this one? Another one, I have no clue what it is. This thing looks prehistoric. Does that count as 2 right there? Looks like a prehistoric era camel. Does this count as 2 or 1? This has to count as 2 since they aren't together. We got some prehistoric elephants here. There's some better ones later. Two more right here.
Watching out, getting ready to run.
Looks like a boar.
Boars fighting 2 boars?
Yeah, 2 boars it looks like. We found the big boy dinosaurs.
You know.
My favorite animal of all time is actually elephants. If I win the lottery, I'm gonna get a pet elephant like Bart. There you go.
No, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I got 10 of autographs.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go, first non-animal. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out of the 130 sculptures, I think I got most of them. I don't think I hit 130, but I think I got close. Brooke kindly took notes on our search, and we counted 87, and then this last roundabout 26 or 27. So we're at about 113. I'll do an official count here in the corner. Every sculpture we see, I'll put a counter up here. So there you go, around 113 out of 130. Pretty close. Where's Wiley at?